You may know the Pennsylvania state capital of Harrisburg, but I bet you don't know about its city's beautiful Oasis. Italian Lake in Harrisburg's uptown neighborhood is a 9.5-acre park designed in 1918 as part of the early 20th century beautification movement. The park blends European-inspired elegance with natural tranquility. Enjoy its manicured lawns, ornamental plantings, and the peaceful atmosphere that has made the lake a community gathering place for generations. The lake's signature features its graceful Japanese-style bridge, symbolizing harmony between people and nature. Nearby stands the Dance of Eternal Spring, fountain sculpture designed by artist Italian Giuseppe Donato. A short walk from the lake rises the Dauphin County Veterans Memorial Obelisk. This 110-foot granite monument is dedicated to Dauphin County soldiers who served in the Civil War and stands as a solemn reminder of local sacrifice. Across from the lake sits another architectural landmark, the Zembo Shrine, which was completed in 1930. It has North African and Middle Eastern inspired style. Horseshoe arches, patterned brickwork, and dramatic facade make it one of Harrisburg's most distinctive structures.